Welcome back. In this video, we will show you how to generate and submit your CPF contributions directly through cuteOffice. From your main dashboard, click on the payroll icon. Then, under Reports, select Generate CPF. First, let's prepare the file submission. By default, all employee records are selected and ready for generation. However, if you need to submit separately, you can use the filters to select specific data, like PTE01. Once ready, click the blue Generate button. The system will process the payroll data and prepares CPF file for submission. Once the file appears in the list below, navigate to the last column and click the Submit CPF icon. You will now see the File Upload screen. Click on Confirmation and Payment tab. Review the total amount to be deducted. Next, select the Payment By method, such as direct debit. Next, select the date of deduction from the calendar. Toggle on the declaration to confirm the information is correct, and then click Proceed to Submit. You will be redirected to the Singpass portal. Log in using your CorpPass credentials. On the Apex Permission screen, click Allow to authorize the transaction with the CPF Board. Wait for the processing to complete. When you see the message Submitted to CPF successfully, click OK. Your submission status will now update to Success. Your CPF filing is complete. Thanks for watching.